Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche Singer edition and this is by Pop Race. So this is my first model with Pop Race. I know I never owned any Pop Race before and it is not really easy to get it in India. So I bought this from Cars and Dolls and this looked really cool. I saw some videos, so I thought of just getting one for myself and do the review. So, and here it is. So it's a 1:64 scale and let's unbox and see how it looks. So it doesn't have any plastic wrapper on top. Okay, I don't know what this is. I'm just given something. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so here it is. Okay, for a 1:64 scale, this looks really tiny. Okay, the first impressions of this car is, this looks really well made and it's a beautiful piece, and it is actually tiny compared to other brands, which does 1:64, like, Mini GT or Tomica or even Era cars, and even Hot Wheels. So Hot Wheels personally, they changes, a lot of things, during the drawing board, stage itself, but these are true to scale. So let's have a closer look. So they have some kind of plastic for the headlights, which looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really nice, and the rear view mirrors are actually made of metal. It is not plastic or anything. That looks really cool actually, and the rear view mirror looks really nice. And they have a unique set of seats, entire interior. So there is no openable parts in Pop Race so far. They announced, I think, some Datsun, if I'm not wrong, recently, like a month ago, which has openable hood and all. So we are yet to get it in India. So it was coming around 1,700, if I'm not wrong too. So I bought this for around like 1,200 or something, or 300, around that range. So it has some great detailing to it. I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. There are a lot of stray dogs. Okay, the wheels are actually made of rubber and the rims looks pretty cool. The rear wheel is actually it has, deep dish kind of rims. The front one is not that much, but it looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really nice. You can see the Singer logo here. This one is really awesome. It is very tiny, but it looks really beautiful. Like you can just take it with you wherever you go. Like just put it in a box like this and just carry it with you. Like a lucky car, lucky charm. I'm not going to do that, but I'm just saying. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls, but it is not really that great. So because these are meant to be like a stationary model, like you need to just keep it in the showcase and just leave it as it is. So the wheels does wobble a little bit. The rear wheel actually wobbles a lot, as you can see here. It has even a great interior details to it, as you can see here. So here is one more closer look. So even the taillights, it has some kind of fiber to it. So on top of that, they actually did that paint job. It looks really cool. It does. There's nothing to nitpick here, to be very honest. So only thing is, if they added some kind of openable parts in this price range itself, that would be really great. This is costed around 1,300 bucks. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.